Hi everyone, this is Scottie, and in this video I'm going to be sketching a fast portrait in my sketchbook using this photo reference. She has really strong facial features and I like the angle of the head, which makes an interesting silhouette. I'm using a Staedtler Lumograph 8B black pencil for the first time actually in a video, so I'll let you know at the end how it goes. Thanks for watching. So there you go. I think she looks slightly less sad in my sketch than the photo. These pencils work really well. They are a lot harder than my charcoal pencils, but I like that I have more control when sketching both soft and hard lines. The charcoal pencils are darker but a lot more messy. Thanks so much for watching to the end, and please check out my other videos here if you're interested in learning more about sketching with a fast technique. See you next time.